Right, Shell?
Yeah.
It's another weekend. What's the plan?
Wood chip.
We have got to make loads of wood chip.
We just don't know. We keep talking about how much we think we're going to get. Because last time we wood chipped loads of kindling bits and we got enough for the toilets and then enough for the viewpoint. But now we've actually got like full trees, not like fat trees, but like good trees. And loads of loads more piles with loads more trees. We just don't know how much we're going to get, do we?
No. So I'll give you the backstory. Basically, you all know we had a fire, so we got loads of damaged trees. So we've left them as long as we could. We left them as long as we could to see what would grow back, and now it's pretty obvious. So we've been trimming loads of trees and all the dead stuff back, and then when we came back after the summer, loads of the trees had fallen down. So we've been cutting all them up, and they're all piled up, ready to make wood chip, which we're going to put into the mountain section because the dirt's really thin there. So we're going to wood chip it and then layer more dirt on top, and then it should make a nice soil in the mountain section. So that's the plan. We've rented a chipper from my mate at Gongar for the weekend, so I'm picking that up this evening. And then we've got 2 days to go flat out and try and chip up everything that we've got piled up. So that's like 1, 2, 3. We've got like 7, 8 different piles of trees to cut up, to blend up.
Some piles are massive too, aren't they?
Well, the ones at the top of the mountain up there are all actual trees. The rest of them are branches.
That pile's the best pile, yeah. I reckon.
So hopefully.
But we don't actually know how much wood chip comes from a tree.
No, I ain't got a clue. But we need I think we need like 10 trailers worth. That's my plan. So if we can get anywhere near that, I'll be happy. But if not, then we've got to make a new plan. So yeah, that's that.
Right, babe?
Yeah. So our first job we got to do is I need to make this more of a ramp because the tractor and trailer needs to come up here around, and we're going to tip all the wood chip in a pile over there. So I just, it was like a bit like this, so I just had to smooth it out so the tractor and trailer can get up here alright.
You're going to be able to reverse it back down there?
No, I'll have to turn around and then come down.
Oh.
What, does it look like a ramp?
Yeah, it looks good. Actually. What do you reckon, Ind? Does it look good?
So yeah, it's going to be sketchy because I need to go over that, and that's going to be a bit tilted, I think.
Oh yeah.
So the first time I do it, I think I'll be shitting myself.
Can you not flatten it out a little bit more?
No, because it's the Latin end of that jump.
I know, but then can you rebuild?
We're going to tip over there in that corner.
Off the track?
Yeah. So I need to drive in there, reverse it up there, drive back in here, and then reverse it down that straight and into that corner.
Why don't you just flatten this for now and then rebuild it?
No. We've got a lot of trees there to do.
Yeah, this is a good lot, isn't it? That took us ages.
There we go. That should do the job. I should be able to drive up that in the tractor and trailer alright. A bit better than it was. Right, let's go get this woodchipper. Here she is. Picked her up last night. Towed her on the old wagon all the way back. Oh, I'll show you my little fake number plate I made. Look at that. So yeah, I'm going to drive it up the top where I've got the tractor set up already and get going. Hopefully she handles some decent sized logs. Let's go have a look. Sunrise. Dixie keeping guardlet. Right, this is the current setup. Tractor, trailer, chipper blowing straight into the back of the trailer. Hopefully. I'm going to start on this big pile here. See how we get on. Hopefully, I hope all of that is more than a trailer's worth. That's my hope. And I'm hoping that it's going to take some decent sized logs. I don't know why, but it seems smaller than the one that I had last time. I don't know, I'm nervous. Let's have a go. Right, that's the pine tree load blended. We've pretty much got a full trailer, and now we're going to go and do another pile. But that took about 3 hours to do that, so time is against us.
I think we did good.
What do you reckon about it?
I think we did good. I thought it was later than actually what it is.
Yeah. No, it's not too bad. That was one of the bigger piles, and that was all bushes and branches.
Yeah, that was shit.
Yeah.
Spiky. And we had to chainsaw loads.
Yeah, whereas the next piles are mainly already cut up. Shush sponge. So hopefully the next piles go a bit quicker, and we get a bit more, because there's more trees than branches. So let's see. I've got to try and get this up on my ramp that I built yesterday and dump it in the corner, which will be a challenge. I've never reversed this trailer before, so let's have a go.
We're off. We are off. First time Ryan has driven trailer like this. Yeah, we don't have much experience with the old trailer. Oh, it smells so nice of rosemary just here. Oh, that was scary. But it was fine actually. I was quite scared of Ryan going over that bump in the trailer, but it was fine.
Right, I want you to line me back in. I want the back of the trailer about here. So we dump here, and then we can dump forward from here. Alright?
Oh, what, you're going to move it and it's all going to come out? Oh, because you raised the thing back?
Raise it up, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
So, keep telling me to come back until the back's about here.
Okay.
Alright?
Alright.
And remember, if I can't see you in my mirrors, if you can't see my mirrors, I can't see you.
Where are your mirrors? Oh, there. You're telling me to go around this side. Go on then! Little bit more. Good. Good, babe. Love our wing it ways, don't we, to do stuff like that?
What?
All your bungees.
It's not winging it, that's professional. Right, you need to get that hinge and pull.
Alright.
Why has it come out then?
Because it needs a nudge. It's so tightly packed in there, there's so much of it.
Have a look.
What? Oh yeah, just needs a little nudge, doesn't it?
When I lift it up, just check that door starts closing this way.
Rather than going in.
Rather than going in.
Didn't we do that before?
I can't remember.
Hey Dix. What do you reckon, boy? You can move now. A little bit. Yeah, now go forward. Keep going. Keep moving.
Coming out.
Yes.
How much left?
Keep going. Babe, you've got quite a lot in there still. You've got quite a lot in there still. It looks a lot now it's come out.
That's annoying, isn't it?
There's still a lot in there, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah, but you can go forward quite a bit.
I know, but I wanted a pile.
It just needs movement.
I think that's as high as it goes.
Yeah. Just move forward a bit.
No, I don't want to spread it all the way down the fucking hill. Unless I put it down and then reverse back up on top of the pile.
Try it, babe, try it. Careful, Indy, spiky. Right, babe?
Can you see me?
You look like you're in a rubbish bin.
Can you see me?
Yeah. That's a good workout, that, isn't it?
Huh?
It's a good workout.
Yeah.
It's not really coming out there, is it, that much? Whoa.
Oh, my shoe. Right, this is our 4th location?
Pretty much.
4th location now. So we're just doing this little pile that we've had sat here for months.
Yeah, this is our firewood pile normally.
Normally our firewood pile, yeah. But yeah, it's just that dumping was slow, wasn't it? So that's what slowed us right down.
Yeah.
We're making quite a bit of wood, so I'm quite happy. Let's see if this thing starts. Indy's just woken up from her nap. Haven't you, Ind? And now we're at pile number 6.
The biggest pile.
Yeah.
But this will be interesting, won't it? Because we can just go wham, 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 because there's basically one straight.
Yeah, these are all trees basically. Like these are the roots, look. They pulled out of the mountain up there. See that tree? They're just sat in a real shallow, because that's all rock, so they've got no root systems. And every single one of these is just trees. So hopefully we can just go brum, 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 no cutting, no getting stuck. Hopefully they all just fly in. And I want to try and get 2 trailer loads out of all this.
You reckon? 2? You think 2?
Hopefully.
Now that I'm up here, it actually doesn't look that much.
I know. But there's quite a lot still up there, look.
But also, it's long and straight. It's not like bushy like up there.
No.
So.
And there's more trunk, more girth, so it should make more. It's not all like brush. So, let's give her a go. Go. First thing in the morning, got the chipper warming up. Try and smash out another full day. Me and Michelle are aching a lot today though, so we'll hopefully have the same pace. Yeah, lovely crisp morning. Also, come up here this morning, look at the state the pigs have left it in. Absolutely destroying the place. Need to figure out what we can do with them, apart from hog roast. I always think there's going to be hundreds of them, but it's probably only 2 or 3. What are you doing? Shao likes to use this as a workout. She's got her tunes on, just going up and down the mountain with her logs. So this is our last pile for up in this section. All of that is just trees, not even branches, that come from here. They were just all basically just come out straight from the roots. You can still see there's quite a few left to do, but yeah, this whole section was trees. Look, that's what they were. That's kind of the hole they leave. That's about it. So So yeah, this whole section's been cleared. Apart from this front edge, which is I still need to do. So there's still quite a bit to do there. But we can pile it all up and then rent the machine again in a couple of weeks once we've got everything piled up again. That's the plan. So yeah, get this lot moved and then move on down to the next section.
What's happened, babe?
So one of the rollers has stopped working on the inside. So I just took the top off and I found these grease points. They never told me to grease them, but I'm going to because I think one of the things is broken.
You said that it needs filling up every 40 hours, didn't you?
There's a sticker there that says 40 hours, look.
But we've been putting some big ass trees in there.
What was that? What did you just do?
What?
Why did you just do an accent?
Big ass trees. Don't know.
No, we've only been running it for about 8 hours.
I know, but we've put a lot in. Haven't we?
I think that's a grease nipple broken out of there.
Huh?
I think there's supposed to be a grease nipple in there and there's not. What's that there? So I don't think we're going to get any further. That grease nipple in there is not even there, it's snapped off, so I don't think it's been greased in a while, and I reckon that roller is seized. So that's my diagnostics. I've texted matey and told him, so hopefully he doesn't charge me for today. But still ruins the day, doesn't it?
Mm.
What a bummer.
I know. Hmm.
Looks like a new bit of machinery as well.
Got a little bit in there.
Got a little bit in there, yeah.
Hmm.